Hello friends, this is Sonam Shrivastava. Welcome to my channel. Friends, we know these days students' schools are closed for a long time, and we don't even know how long it will be closed. So parents are very worried about how they engage their children in the home. So in this video, I'm going to give you some simple activities which will engage your kids during lockdown in their home. First step is make a proper routine, make a schedule of everything, and this is very good because your children's schools are closed. It doesn't mean that they can wake up any time, they can sleep any time. No, it's not right. Make a proper routine. And second is education. Education is must, we know, but this time online education is going on, so don't pressurize your children too much because it will impact their eyesight also. And trust me, online learning is not very comfortable as comparison to school life, so think this. Then third is yoga, exercise, aerobics. We people often say that we have no time to do exercises, yoga, but this time you cannot say this. Your children and you also, both of them, have so many times to do yoga and exercise and aerobics also. It will improve your immunity also, and it will make you healthy also. Then fourth is give some special responsibilities. Friends, children want to help their elders, their parents, so make them responsible to give them simple activities like planting and filling the bottles, watering the plants, and folding their clothes, and do some repair work and take help to your kids, and this type of things. So many things you can accept. Then fifth is they improve their moral value. We always teach our children to these planets are we should save our planet, this earth is our mother, we should help to poor person. So this time you can give this that this is the best example for that. We all are fighting with the same problem, so you can give this example that how people help to each other and how we all are working together to fight with the same problem, and let them do help to poor persons. It will improve their moral values also. Then fifth is learning skills. Try to do improve their hobby also. What they want, let them do, just like art and craft, different type of paintings, let them do this. And their craft work like paper folding work, make a photograph, photo frame, this type of so many things which you can try. Then the writing skills. We know our handwriting shows our personality, but we cannot improve it too much our childhood in our adult age. This is the fact. So work on your kids handwriting because it's very important. Learn them calligraphy also, and try to teach them foreign languages also via online. So this is also you can try. Then this time people often watch the news channel on the TV, so you can tell them to imitate the news reader also, like anchoring, news reading. This is very entertaining game also, and it will improve their vocabulary, their confidence, their spoken ability also. So you can try this. Personally, I really like this. This is game also, and it is very important to learn something, our spoken skills also. Then written reading skills. Try to give them to learn and to speak very well, like storytelling. Storytelling is very important for every kids. We people don't think this is very important, but actually this is very important thing. Then is go through some photographs, old photographs, and make a proper memory photograph, photo album, and you can click some pictures of these days also of your lockdown. We know this is very problematic time for everybody, but you can make it special for your kids and make a memorable pictures and make a photograph. This is also you can do. Then start some writing diaries and short notes, tell them to do this type of things also. And play a game is very important, you know. Game is a work of exercise also, so try out some old games also, like Sapsidi, Ludo, chess, and tennis, everything indoor games. Don't go outside unnecessarily, because it's not right. One thing also that you can try, that make a proper video of your kids, let them make their videos also. You can try out some YouTube channels and other videos channels, but please make sure that your kids are making logical videos. Don't let them make useless videos. There's no, you know, this time TikTok and Likey, Hello, this type of apps are banned. So actually this is the proper and big opportunity to make the children busy and in other type of activities for parents also. And you know, I don't want to go anywhere. You can take my examples. I have started this channel during lockdown period because I'm in education field, and I want to share my thing during this video. I've decided to make it during lockdown. So if you like my videos, then please put your comments in YouTube comment box, like and subscribe, because your subscription will definitely give me inspiration to make many more other videos.